Okay, I was hopping on pre-market as I always do, and we had like a London or Asia low here, and I'm watching it pre-market, and I'm going, okay, this is looking kind of appetizing. We have it trailing down towards it, and this is, yeah, 615. Yeah, so 615, 616, whatever. We come down, we sweep it. I'm staring at it and I'm going, damn, like this is looking pretty good. ES, we also sweep it. No SMT, but we do also sweep it on ES. Takes it out clean. And then we come back up and I'm watching it, and I don't know how many times I'm going to come on here and say the exact same thing, and it's just going to keep fucking happening. But I guess this time it was slightly different because it was pre-market, but I'm like, damn, if we ifvg this on the London low sweep, like, it's literally just a no-brainer. And I'm waiting, I'm like, man, I go, market's going to open, I'm watching it. I'm going, and then I see we don't quite get the ifvg right here, come back down one more time, and I like when it does this. It'll go down and then it won't sweep it again. It'll hold like bullish structure on it, and then we get a nice ifvg, we come back down again, we're holding bullish structure, and I'm looking at it and we're almost at market open. We're literally a minute or two away from market open. I'm going, damn, I should just get in this. I know market's gonna open, volume's gonna just shoot it straight to the moon. I'm staring at it, I know what's gonna happen. And then so I just put, like whenever I'm thinking of a trade, I'll put like, oh, I'll put that there. Just to map it out and see what it would have done. And I'm watching it and I'm going, I know what's going to happen. I know what's going to happen. We already swept it. ifvg, market open, it's going to rip. I know it. And I just literally sat there paralyzed. And then, sure enough, right on the money, 630, boom, straight up, right to the moon. I wasn't even going to try to go for glory or anything. I was like, if we could just take out this high, I'll take my profit and that'll be fine. But no, literally just watched it leave without me. And full curtain pull here. I've been watching PJ Trades live this last like week and a half or something. Not quite impressed. I haven't made any money. It's been up, it's been down. You've been, I don't know, you watched the other videos, haven't like, you know. And so this was his call today. This is why I took this. And terrible trade, absolutely horrible trade. I don't know why the fuck he took this. It literally, there's like so many bearish confluences. We got, this is like a previous day London high right here. We tag it. We go, okay, so we just swept that. We're coming down. We have like a 1 minute ifvg right here. I wouldn't even say that's like ifvging it back up. We literally ifvg it down, and then we come for like a little retest. On the 2 minute, it looks even fucking worse. Like, what is this? Like, what is that? Oh, fuck. Go back. Yeah, not great. Not great at all. So we sweep a high. Not only that, we have an SMT. So that's that high. I'm pretty sure. Let's just be right about that. Hold on. 420, no, it's this high. 112. Okay, so it's way over here. So we're not even fucking close. We're not even in the same ballpark. Huge, massive SMT down to there. And we got a bullish one, just barely, but that counts. We swept it. So we got bearish SMT, respecting the 2 minute fair value gap. We went ifvg on it even. So we get an IFVG, we get a retest, it holds it. And then he goes, let's slam a short on this. And we also, not that he pays attention to this, but I do. I think it's a decent confluence. It's a pretty accurate confluence. But we got a bearish divergence right here. So pretty massive bearish divergence. It's looking super clean. And what I love about this is what you have to pay attention to on bearish divergences, bullish divergences, is when you get a wave. So it's diverging this way, but then as soon as it starts correlating, the divergence starts correlating, that little hump, you want to short the absolute piss out of that, because that's just confirming, okay, we got bearish, we had to move down, okay, now it's going to go the right way. And it always does this. You need the trigger wave. That is the trigger wave. So that's not the actual move down here. That's not the bearish divergence playing out. You want to retest, and then as soon as you get a correlating hump from here to, from those two humps to these two humps, you want to short the piss out of that, or long whatever way you're going. But in this case, we're shorting, obviously. But not for fucking PJ. We went fucking long on this. Like, we hit our liquidity. We already had a fucking, like, what is this? From the bottom here. Yeah, 220 point move. So we just had a 220 point move. He's like, oh, continuation. Brother, this is the continuation right here. There's your trade there. That's where you want to continue. And he's going, let's go long. And I'm going, okay, well, he's been trading 10 years. Well, I better... he must know more than me, even though I'm looking at him going, what the fuck are you looking at? So I slam along. We got a 50-point stop here. Get wrecked. And we're targeting like some other horse shit. But we got a fucking bearish SMT, like a massive one. Like what is this? Like, bro. Like on ES, we need to go, yeah, 17 points. Like, that's not happening. It's just not happening. I'm sorry. And then, yeah, right away, let's get rid of all this nonsense. Yeah, so absolutely get wrecked. And then we go IFVG on this. Like, to be honest, this is like an A++ short. It's an A++ short. And he's like, no, we're going long here. Let's go long. Like, get fucking wrecked. And then we dump fucking 200 points. Like, what is that? I can't fucking see. Yeah, 250 points we dump. Unfucking real. And then I'm looking at this now. We get... there's a lot of shit on the board here. So we get our move back up to 50% for maybe like continuation short. And then the RSI, again, let's look at this. This is a beautiful trade. And I was almost going to get in this. He wasn't getting in this. I was going to get in this myself. We got, again, bearish divergence with the trigger. So, this one's kind of flat. It's actually not even that good. Maybe the 30 second. Let's look at the 30 second. 30 second, we got it. So we're getting bearish divergence here. Price going up. RSI is going down. And then boom, again, you get the trigger where this hump is now getting respected. The RSI is respecting it. It's correlating. And let's make this a little more clean. That's going up, that's going down, and then, yeah. And now that's, these two are correlated. And then we get a A+ fucking dump again. So we're hitting the 50% on the Fibonacci. RSI getting respected. And so I'm watching it and I'm going, oh man, I was kind of came late after I noticed it, and I'm like, okay, like I need to start paying attention here. And I go, when it comes back up, because I was like, we're kind of ranging here. Okay, let me clean this up totally, because this is a mess. So we're in this range here, and I'm looking at it here, and I'm going, okay, we're in like the 50% area. I want to get a nice entry. I need a cheap entry. So I was looking, I was like, if we can hit one of these wicks, if we can get up to like here, that's cheap enough for me, where that's only like a 17-point stop out. I can handle that. I don't want to hit another 25, 50-point stop out. I'm using 2 micros. I want to get it cheap. I want to get it cheap. It's come up. Maybe it'll come back up one more time. And I just didn't get an entry. And then boom, plays out again. Like, fuck me. I don't know what to say. It was an absolutely brutal fucking trading day. That first stop out, I was using 2.5 micros, my biggest position yet. And, like, just get wrecked, mate. 133. Get wrecked. Had a nice trade yesterday. Could have been better, actually. Today we're just taking L's when we should have been taking dubs. And I'm so frustrated. I'm so fucking frustrated. Like, what a shit trade that was. I don't know why. I don't know why anybody took that. I don't know why I took that. I should have known better. This was the only trade. Like, that would have been nice. Maybe even if you had a continuation here. But, like, I don't know. I don't know. Where are you going to... Like, there's not even an ifvg within here. We didn't tap into any zone. Maybe like the 5 minute. Yeah, we like touched the 5 minute, but like, where do you put your stops? You put your stops down here at 83 points. No, it's retarded. So, yeah, fuck me. That's that.